Davie says he got a present. What'd he get? What did Dave get, Nat? What'd he get? He got a present, but what is it? What is it, Dave? What'd you get? Oh, you're so excited. So excited. What is it? Oh. What do you think, huh? You like it? Hmm? You're silly. You're going to roll off the couch. Here. Ooh. You like it? You like it, huh? Is that a good present? Not bad. One more monkey to add to your collection. You got a lot of monkeys, so. You think it's cool, huh? It's a big monkey. It's a big monkey. There you go. Got a receipt. Gotta rip that receipt off, huh? Yeah. Yes, it came from a store called the Monkey Cage. It's a secondhand toddler store. Not for toddlers, but secondhand for toys. What do you think? Huh? Cool, huh? You're more concerned with what's going outside. You're just the Gladys Kravitz of monkeys. All you care about what's going out down outside that window. What's the neighbors doing? You want to know what the neighbors are doing at all times. Jeez, look at you. You play with your toy. Not care about what's going on in the neighborhood. Silly. You silly boy. Such a silly boy.